This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning, and I am back on the old desk here. Okay, so as usual, we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, natural gas, the EIA report will be out here today at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, what we have to do is we have to watch this key level right here at sitting at 79.90. So how did we get there? Well, what you want to do is you want to look to the bottom of this candle right here, okay? So right there, what'd you have? 79.91. So you knew that was going to be your resistance level. If not, then we just keep on following the candles all on up. So what it needs to do now is you need to close above that 79.90. Now, if you can, then what your resistance level, next one is going to be here, is going to be 80.47. And then we go to the top of this candle here, you have 81.52. Then to the bottom of this candle here, you have 81.76. We have 82.71. Then we have 83.12. You have 83.44. And then your big retest there is going to be 83.53. That is going to be your big upside target, okay? So basically, you just look to the left of the chart and just always watch the candlesticks, your highs, your lows, and your closing numbers. That's going to be your support and resistance levels, okay? So now, on the bottom, all right, look what we did here. This 8 SMA here, beautiful. Crossed right above the 21, the 50, the 100, and now the 200-day. Looking very good. Okay, so now that's going to be key support. So you're looking at 77.54. Okay, if that is lost, then we look to your 200 here, which is sitting at 77.01. And then obviously, if that's lost, then we just follow these candlesticks right on down here. Okay, so you're looking at 76.44. You have 75.69. And then we have your 21 SMA here sitting at 74.65. You got your Hondo one sitting here at 73.72, and then obviously your 50 SMA here sitting at 72.48. But your key levels here are going to be this 8 SMA here, because now you're above the 200-day, and your 200 SMA here. That is going to be very, very key support levels here. All right, and then so you want to watch those, and then you want to watch that price channel, which is sitting at 79.90. If that breaks above, then we just follow these candles, and your ultimate target is 83.53. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and a monthly chart. Okay, here we have your monthly chart. Now, you notice that I've always been pointing out that key 8 SMA here, okay, how it kept holding the price down, holding the price down. Now you're firmly above it. Now it needs to close up there for the month. Okay, so that's going to become now key support. So that's sitting at 75.78. And then obviously underneath there, you have your 200-day sitting at, let me see, what is it sitting at? Okay, you're sitting at there at 72.82. Now, if we can go higher here, your big target is going to be 85.37. That's going to be your 21-day, and that's going to be huge, huge resistance level right there. Okay, now here on your weekly chart here, well, what do we have? Well, we're firmly above this key 50 SMA here, sitting at 76.58. Very, very nice. Looks like it just wants to head up to that 53, 83.53, and then right above that, you could tag 85.23, which lines up very nicely here with this 85.37 on your 21-day on your monthly chart. Now, on the bottom here, what you want to do for key support levels here is you want to watch this key 21-day sitting at 73.86 and your 8-day sitting at 73.41. Now, if you look at this 8-day, you can see where it went up, went up, went up, went up. Now, this is looking very good here. If you can cross above, then the next target will be this 8-day will push up towards that 50-day, and it'll push that price right on up. Easy hit 83.53 with no problem. So watch this key support level here, the 21-day, your key 8 SMA here. That is going to be very, very key. And then if you can keep on rolling, 83.53 is your big target. Now, remember, OPEC meeting is going to be here on August 4th. So you want to be long into that meeting, okay? So what I always do is go long into that meeting. Plus, I'm scalping it every day. So that way you can either sell half before, sell half after. So you're always going to make that nice, good profit going into the meeting because you don't know what they're going to come out with. If they're going to start cutting some more, they need to get the price higher. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, if we look at the hourly chart here, you got a pretty nice run up here to 2.789. But now if you look at this, see this? That's never good when you have a series of lower highs, okay? Then she comes right on down. Now, you did put a nice bottom in here, jumped or gapped right on up here, but look at this candle here. See the topping tail? So now what you want to do on the downside is watch this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting there right there at 2.67. You want to watch your 2.66 here, your 21 SMA, and then obviously your 200 at 2.65. Then your big retest down here sitting at 2.62. Now here on your 4-hour chart here, same thing, you know, a series of lower highs here. And then we jump back up here, but then see the series again? See, that's just not good, okay? So what you want to do is you want to watch here is 2.66, and then we have your 100 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.65, sitting there at 2.62 is your 200 SMA here. Lines up very nice here with your hourly chart. It just can't seem to get off the schneid. Let's take a look here on the daily chart. Okay, daily chart, just sideways action. However, we have to look here at your price channels, okay? So you got 2.87 on the top, 2.48 there on the bottom. Your 8-day, your 21-day getting really, really tight. So let's see what the 8-day is. You're sitting at 2.68. On your 21-day, 2.65. Okay, so those would be your support levels there. And then obviously if that is lost, then we look here to your 50 SMA here, sitting at 2.52. And then your 100 SMA sitting at 2.39. Now, if we can keep rising here, then we can just look into these candles here. So you got basically 2.73, you got 2.75, you got 2.78. What do we have here? You got right there, you got 2.82, and then we have your retest there at 2.87. If you can get above that 2.87, then we want to look here at this candle here. That's sitting at 3.027. Right now, just for me, there just isn't enough action here. I'll do small scalps here on the long and on the short. I use BOIL, BOIL for the long, sometimes UNG, and then KOLD for the short. There just isn't enough there. There's way better trades out here than this until you start breaking above these price channels up or down. You know, the tech is running really good. Oil is running really good. So just, you know, quick scalps, daily scalps, take your cash every day and then get out. There just really isn't a whole lot here. All right, I'll have more for you after the pick close here at 2:30, and thanks for watching.